Summer isn't a good time for your skin. It can be damaging your precious skin. One of the biggest skin problems that can be seen during summer is it's suntan! Who just want to make their skin a little darker than their original skin tone? We do a lot of things to escape from suntan, like we do not step out from home, carrying umbrellas, tying those thick scarves and burning heat, applying expensive sunscreen lotions, and finally trying those chemical-based tan removal treatments. But they are temporary. But don't worry, I'm here to help you to get rid of suntan very easily. Hey guys, Prasanna here. But before trying this remedy, wash your face with soap and cold water. Let's get into the video. Take a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, and add 5 to 6 drops of honey to it. Now add half a teaspoon of rose water and mix well. And now apply this mixture on affected area. Here I'm having tan on my hand, so I'm applying it on my hand. Gently massage a quiet amount of this mixture on your skin. Now leave it for 25 minutes and wash with lukewarm water. Here are the results. It really works. Try it guys. Please comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel.